I'm going to be repairing a couple of leaking corners in my gutters, and I'm using the Liquid Rubber Gutter Repair Kit. It comes with liquid rubber, seam tape, and brushes. First thing you want to do is clean the inside of the gutter and remove any loose caulking. Once you've cleaned the area, you want to cut your rubber seam tape and cover the seams or any holes. I'm going to cut 2 short pieces to cover the seams on the bottom of the gutter, and then I'll work 1 or 2 pieces in the corner. Once you cut your seam tape to size, there's a backing you have to remove and push it in place. Don't stretch it. Once the seam tape is in place, then you're going to cover this with a first coat of liquid rubber. When it's dry to the touch, you can apply your second coat, and you don't want any rain in the forecast for at least 24 hours.